It's now the Casper, what are you doing? It's now the 10th of August and I haven't really done much. I'll show you around what I've done in a bit. Are you pinching the apples off the tree? Eesh! Crispy! Oh, are you okay? Oh, what did you stand on? Okay, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the 10th of August. I haven't done much because I've been very tired. Been getting tests done at the doctor's and I got low folic acid. So I was taking that already when I was doing this video and didn't think it was working, like to get me energetic again, but it was working because now I've had to stop it because I'm getting a colonoscopy, so I've had to stop taking it and now I'm even more tired and I just can't do anything. I haven't planted my leeks yet. I've just got no energy whatsoever. I'm getting that done on Wednesday. And it is Sunday now, isn't it, Caspi? So tomorrow I've got to start this weird diet thing. And then have the solution on Tuesday. So I'm not looking forward to it. And it's probably not going to be anything serious, I don't think. But I'll let you know, I guess. Even though that's not really part of the video that was supposed to be. That's why I'm behind on things, because I've not had energy. And yeah, I do need to lose weight and all that. But it's hard, like, I want to start running and that again, but I can't. Because my body's not fit enough anymore. Put weight on. And I've got no energy. Anyway, I'll show you the allotment. So, it was a bit windy, so things fell down. The chickens are still in there, even though I wanted them to be in there. There, that thing I built. The council haven't got back to me yet about that, even though I sent them a picture. I managed to move that along. I managed to chop the tree, I think I already showed that. Like, piled all that down here. Trimmed everything. Because ooh, fighting. Yeah, I'll show you these, what are they called? Plums. Yeah, plums. That's my favourite cockerel, because that one's definitely a cockerel. Always tries to go for me, don't you? You always try to bite me. These isn't on my allotment, but it hangs over. And it's, I just thought they were the purple plums, but they're not, the yellow. They're soft, we've been getting some. It's okay, Cass. I'm not in focus. Plums, just give them to them for now. And that's where it snapped. I haven't managed to cut that yet because it's too thick. I managed to do all of it. Just hanging on. Look, all those plums in this next house allotment. Oh, it's okay, Casp. I'll show you the purple plums now. It's okay, Casp. I'll be back soon. Purple plums. They're not soft yet. Some of them have been, but not many. That one's soft. Look at that, perfect plum. And if you look in his allotment, he's got pears there. And apples. They look really nice. And all them plums. I'm going to have that now in a minute. It's my allotment. Yeah, the ground is like rock solid. That's a bit crumbly there. Hello, Casp. I'll give you a little quick look around my original allotment. There's my apples. My apples aren't as big as them ones over there. I think it's because I needed to trim the tree down, but I didn't the last 2 years. You can see the greenhouse, peppers. Oh, Casp. So onion, I like to got seed, onion or leek, I can't remember. It's onion, I think. Onion. So pretty. It's all my sweet corn, pumpkins and some beans. If you go in here, tomatoes did not do well this year for me. I'm going to do them a bit earlier next year. Still nice, but this side, they're just, there's one there, and then look at it, it's not even grew hardly. And then as you go around, these ones have got better, but they're still not as big as normal. It's so strange. I think it needs a good mulch of fresh compost manure in there. That's the grapevine I planted, and I'm getting nettled by something. Marigolds are nice though, aren't they, Cass? Marigolds are nice. Anyway, today I'm not really doing anything in the other allotment. I'm going to try and plant some leeks. Are you looking at the bee? Are you looking at the bee? Come on then. Chickens. I'm going to try and weed this a bit and plant some leeks, but before I go I'll show you the chicks. Hello, Wingies. Oh, careful, Casp. Here you go, Jack. Let me have a bite of this first. Here you go. This is the chicks. Little chicks. Yeah. Aren't they gorgeous? Bye. That's probably going to be it for this video of the new allotment. It's probably going to be quite long now, so that's going to be part 1. And there'll be a part 2 when I get around to it. Very slow process for me, because it is just me. I'm getting a bit of help here and there, but I'll get more help soon when the partner's off work. But yeah. Got my cucumbers. Done these ones like cucumbers, peppers, aubergines are small but it's fine. Okay, bye, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you're notified when the next one comes out. Bye! Hi, this is Kimmy from the future, January 2026 actually. I just want to say, yeah, the videos are a bit out of order. I kind of like just stopped everything. I forgot about this video and I've just been editing videos and found it. It was already edited and I like to watch the videos back and see the progress of the allotment. So I'm going to upload this and I'm going to try and find some more. I just want to say thank you for watching. And how amazing does the allotment look in summer when it's like winter and miserable now? Anyway, bye!